With 2026 right around the corner, the camera industry is heating up once again, and Canon is quietly preparing what could be one of its most important APS-C updates yet, the rumored Canon EOS R7 Mark II. And that raises a big question for photographers, videographers, wildlife shooters, sports enthusiasts, and hybrid creators everywhere. Does the original Canon R7 still make sense? Or is it about to feel outdated? According to ongoing rumors, the R7 Mark II could bring some serious upgrades, possibly no mechanical shutter, a much faster stacked CMOS sensor, improved electronic shutter performance, reduced rolling shutter, better heat management, and even more advanced subject tracking autofocus powered by Canon's deep learning algorithms. On paper, that sounds like a major leap toward a performance-focused crop sensor powerhouse designed for action, wildlife, motorsports, and fast-paced video work. But here's the reality: not everyone upgrades the moment a new camera is announced. When the original Canon R7 launched, reactions were mixed. Spec lovers praised the 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor, 15 fps mechanical shutter, 30 fps electronic burst, dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with human, animal, and vehicle detection, in-body stabilization, and oversampled 4K video. Critics focused on rolling shutter, APS-C low-light limitations, and the learning curve required to truly master the camera. Yet for photographers coming from older Canon bodies, the jump in speed, autofocus reliability, and responsiveness felt massive, especially for sports, wildlife, and unpredictable action where timing is everything. Moving to 15 fps and 30 fps fundamentally changes how you shoot and how confident you feel capturing peak moments. While rolling shutter can look like a deal-breaker on paper, many real-world users discovered that with proper technique and shutter choice, those artifacts could be minimized, turning the electronic shutter into a powerful tool rather than a liability. Beyond action, the R7 has proven itself as a versatile hybrid camera, capable of travel, landscapes, portraits, weddings, documentaries, and content creation. It delivers strong dynamic range, reliable stabilization, fast subject acquisition, and Canon's trusted color science. And while APS-C sensors aren't kings of low light, smart lens choices and modern ISO performance go a long way. Looking ahead, the R7 Mark II will almost certainly be better, faster, cleaner, and more refined. But that doesn't automatically make the original R7 obsolete. Autofocus is still excellent, image quality remains strong, and it continues to produce professional-level results in 2026 and beyond. Because in the end, the real upgrade isn't always a stacked sensor or a new model number. It's the skill and confidence you build by mastering the gear you already have. And for many creators, the Canon EOS R7 remains a powerful, relevant, and capable camera well into the future.